Ever notice your plants throwing you a little attitude? One day they're lush and green, and the next, boom, yellow leaves, crispy tips, or leaves doing some kind of botanical yoga pose. If you've ever stood in your garden holding a weird-looking leaf, wondering if it needs water, food, therapy, or all three, you're not alone. This is Master Gardener Steve, and today we're going to talk a little bit about leaf language. Good news, plants do talk. They just use their leaves to do it. And today we're going to decode exactly what those leaf symptoms mean, whether it's a cry for nitrogen, a sign of pest trouble, or something sneakier. Let's dig in, pun intended. First off is nitrogen deficiency. If your older leaves are turning completely yellow from the bottom up, that's a classic sign of a plant that needs nitrogen. To fix it, add nitrogen-rich fertilizer like composted manure, blood meal, or fish emulsion. Next, we have a magnesium deficiency. If you see yellowing between the veins of the leaf while the veins themselves stay green, that's a magnesium desire. To fix it, apply Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, diluted in water, or use a complete fertilizer with magnesium. Next is a phosphorus deficiency. Purple leaves, especially on young plants that are in cold soil, typically means a phosphorus shortage. To fix it, add bone meal, fish emulsion, or warm the soil with mulch. Potassium deficiencies are shown in leaves as burnt, crispy leaf edges and yellowing tips on older leaves. That's a sign that the plant needs potassium. To fix it, use sulfate of potash, seaweed extract, or wood ash in acidic soils only. If your plant needs iron, you'll see that new leaves come in pale or white with green veins. Your plant is low on that component, and through pH is typically the culprit. To fix it, you can apply chelated iron, test the soil pH, and adjust it if it's above 7. Next, the calcium-zinc deficiency shows itself as misshapen new growth from a leaf perspective, tip burn, or blossom end rot. Calcium or zinc may be missing. You can fix it by adding lime for calcium or use a micronutrient foliar spray with zinc. Next, spotted, sticky, curled, or blotchy leaves. Not all that leaf drama is nutrient related. Look for pests, diseases, and environmental stress. If you have spots, it could be a fungus or bacteria. Sticky leaves could be aphids or scale. Twisting of leaves, possibly a viral or herbicide damage. We see that a lot with Roundup in the soil. And then sudden wilt could be root damage or overwatering. To be sure, check the pattern, do a soil test, and always consider the big picture. Pests, weather, and watering habits matter as well. Your plants are talking through their leaves. Listen closely, and you'll catch problems before they take root in early spring. Thanks for following, and like it and send it on to your friends. Take care.